Hey guys, what's up? It's RevTech, RaceTech, whatever, guys. Um, the last video I recorded was too long, and I had to delete it. So welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining me. Today we're gonna discuss about the fact that I have no reason to post for the last couple of days because my computer is down, and I'm waiting to fix it because I don't have a keyboard. I bricked my keyboard, so I don't have a keyboard. So now I'm waiting for the new keyboard to come today, so I can fix the keyboard. So set up the PC back. So, but I do appreciate you guys. Stay tuned in with me. Stay in tune with me. Do appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, we have to go subscribe and watch a video be tagged in this video somewhere. Um, Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, guys. Bye. Also, yeah, I will be fixing the computer as soon as the keyboard come in here. I'll spend whole night doing that. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out. Oh yeah, this will be added to the video. So I keep forgetting to mention this. If you guys know what to name my tech channel, guys, I I'll be happy, very happy to take any suggestion of what to name this channel because I have no idea, guys. I have no idea what to name this channel. I'm just going through names like it's nothing. I hope you guys can find a way to support me, either by watching or sharing the videos or anyhow, guys. Thank you. But I'll be appreciated very much, guys. Um, I appreciate it very much. Um, yeah, guys. If you guys have any idea what to name my channel, it will be mostly about tech, computer tech tips, and well, mostly of computer repair, reviews, and stuff like that. Yeah. So that's mostly of what it is. But enough of that. Thank you guys for watching. This will be edited with another video. But right now it's uploaded onto the OneNote Drive. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys out. Bye.